Hi guys, Tanya is here, and today's idiom is to kill two birds with one stone. This is something that I do all the time.
So I figured out a way to kill two birds with one stone. Like this.
Not literally, okay? I'm not that mean. Anyway, what I'm trying to say, I'm very busy and I always try to find a way to save some time. For example, I drop my kids off at daycare in the morning, and then on my way back, I try to stop at the store to get some groceries if I need. Okay, killing two birds with one stone. So to kill two birds with one stone means to accomplish two different things at the same time by doing a single action. This expression is so well known that it's often shortened, and you can just say to kill two birds or two birds, one stone. Another example, I went to Chicago for school, as you know, and while I was there, I decided to kill two birds with one stone and visited my friend also. Now please tell me, what is it that you do trying to kill two birds with one stone? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you. Bye bye.